Fran's in for Jen with information on how can you keep your online network safe.
I think the internet's not working.
Remote everything. Getting you down?
Be patient. That's the first tip, because it's going to be a little bit of an adjustment for everybody.
Whether it's just you working from home or you've got the pod along too, tech expert Stephanie Humphrey has some tips to keep you moving online.
Number one, definitely reboot your router. Also, location matters, so make sure you're sitting as close to the router as you can. You also want to avoid using a virtual private network or a VPN if you can. That does tend to slow down your web surfing.
Know what else slows you down? Other connected devices.
If you have an old smart TV or an old phone or laptop that's still connected to the Wi-Fi, make sure you disconnect those and close all the unused tabs on your browser as well.
Now that you're moving, let's keep you safe.
So to make sure that your Wi-Fi is secure, the first thing you're going to want to do is change the default username and password of your router. Then you can actually set up a guest network for guests or for your Internet of Things devices. Location also matters in this case as well. So you want to try to place your router in the center of your home, so that makes it less likely that your neighbors and others will be able to connect to the router.
So Robin, if you're still having some problems connecting, you might want to rethink your network. Humphrey says that you can get something like this. It's called a Wi-Fi extender. And if you have dead zones, it'll work. Now, that being said, if you have multiple dead zones, she suggests a mesh network. It's a series of devices that can go out in all the rooms in your home, sort of like a mesh, and it'll get you covered in those dead zones. Robin, back to you.
You sound like a tech head who knows what she's talking about in terms of these little devices. Usually I just go, Tim!
And we do. We have a couple of these in the house because someone, me, likes good coverage.
I love it. Thank you for the help, Elizabeth Fran.